Okay, so this will be the video for sample video for doing the asset tagging from the handheld device. For that, once you need to log into the application, you need to enter the username and password, then log in the application. You have assets. You can generate the serial number for tagging the assets. Here I am going to tag the asset from computer equipment category. I am going to tag asset Lenovo ThinkPad, model number is T440. So you need to generate serial number for that one. Right click, generate serial number. So once you have count, it is from the SAP. Your case, it is getting asset invoice quantity you are getting from the SAP system. Here I am going to generate for the serial number for the 3 count. So I am going to tag 3 laptop machine. Just generate serial number. It will comes, the system will automatically generate the serial number. And your case, the serial number has asset ID as a prefix, then the sequence number will comes, that you can select from the generate mode. Your case, you can get a select option for asset ID based, so you need to select that asset ID based option. Then you can generate as serial number as asset with prefix. Then you can save this particular information. So database has that particular generated information. Then you need to print the serial number. Just remind me, okay, brand tomorrow. You can go to anytime labels. Then you can print labels. Here you can see there is so many tags is there because it is not once we generated, but it is not printed. That's why it is kept here. Anyway, we are going to print 3 serial number. You can see the 3 serial number which we selected in the downside. Then here in the top there is option to select the printer driver, then the format, then you need to print. Once you print, it will gives you the information like this particular barcode is printed. Then you need to like it will ask to save the information what is printed, so you can save that information. Here it is a demo database. There is some configuration file is missing from the format, that's why it is not getting. Okay, anyway, once you printed, the labels is automatically printed from the barcode printer, which is connected through a USB cable. Here the printer is not connected, so we have that particular barcode in the A4 sheet for the demo purpose. Okay, once you printed the data, the second part is you need to go for the tagging. Tagging means you need to have the particular printed label, and you need to use the handheld device for the tagging part. Once you go to the location for the tagging, you need to log into the handheld device application. Then you need to download information first. For downloading information, you must confirm that this particular device is cradle on the cradle, and it is connected to the PC via the USB cable. Then only you can download the information. Once you download all the information, you will get the latest data which is updated in the ATS application. So every time before going to tagging, you need to download the latest information to the handheld device. And also you need to confirm the date is correct or not. If it is the date is not correct, you will exit the application. Then there will be a option to change the date
settings.
in the settings. Okay, then next is we are going to tag the assets. For that we are selecting the tagging module. For first part, for the tagging is you need to select the location, which is you are entering to the location. There will be location reference is there, which is already in the application, which is downloaded from the SAP. So here you can select that location. So go to the location. There is here we are keeping so many information for the location, like site wise, building wise, floor wise, room wise. So you can, as much information you keep, like you will get, you can select that particular information. If the information is low, means only site and building is there, then you can select that particular option only. So once you have select the information, you will get a ID for that information. If the ID is not there, that means location is not selected. And also after selecting the location, you must check the condition as good, because we are going to tag first time, so we put as good.
Serial number.
Then you need to scan the serial number. Before going to scan, you need to feed the additional information. In the downside you can see multiple tabs. So here I am going to, this is for correctly assigning the tagged assets. So I am going to selecting the asset info, additional information for the laptop. Here I am going to tag on to the Lenovo laptop. So I am select the brand, model, group, then category. Okay, this much information only I keep. Then scanning the serial number. Here I am just use a A4 label, A4 sheet, which I have the barcode. Okay, once you scan that, save that information. Okay, then I am going to put the second sticker on the second laptop. Same model same model and brand. Another serial number. Save. Okay, so I just tagged two laptops successfully, and that information I captured in the handheld device also. Then after that, after tagging, I need to back and I need to select upload module. Before uploading, you need to confirm the device on the cradle and it is connected through the USB to the PC. Then only it will upload. Then press OK. Then it will upload the data to the application, ATS application. So like computer I tagged, you can tag different asset like desktop, chair, like that you can tag. So first thing is you need to confirm, you need, if you enter one location, you need to select particular location reference. Then asset additional information also you need to capture. Then after that, serial number you need to scan, put the sticker on the stick on the asset, then save that information, come back, upload the information to the ATS application. Then next is, once you upload the information, that information you will get it in the tagged part. So go to tagged. So I just show the current date. Here so many data is pending to assign from the tagged part. So here you can see current date 29th March, computer equipment is there. Okay, count is for just open. So what we scanned, that particular serial number is there, so it is already ticked. Then in the downside there is asset list is there. This asset list, you need to select the correct asset which is on the asset description. You can see the correct asset name. You need to select that particular asset, then you need to assign these serial numbers to that particular asset. Once you press assign asset, then you need to save that information. So once you save that information, that serial number is moved from tagged assets to active assets. You can go to active assets. You can, if you search that particular serial number, you can search it here, serial number wise or asset name wise. Let me show you the asset by asset name. Lenovo ThinkPad A440 T440, sorry. So you can see the latest information here. This is the latest serial number we tagged, and this is the location we selected, site and building, then brand, the company. All information will be here. And also the serial number is already using. Serial number is there. Okay, now the serial number is activated. This is the process for tagging. Thank you.